One taste of this, and you'll understand why Caribbean jerk is all about big flavor. In today's video, I'm sharing this homemade jerk marinade that's fresher, bolder, and more exciting than anything you're used to. You can find the full recipe in the description below. We're starting with 1 small, finely chopped onion, along with 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger to build that deep, aromatic base. Then come 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, seeded and roughly chopped, bringing that signature Caribbean heat that makes jerk so unforgettable. For the salty and tangy backbone, add 1/3 cup of soy sauce, followed by 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice for brightness. Balance that out with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to round everything out and keep the marinade rich and smooth. Now for the spices that give jerk its soul. Add 2 teaspoons of allspice powder, along with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for warmth and depth. Then layer in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder, depending on how bold you want it. Finish it off with 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, just enough to help everything blend into a smooth, pourable marinade. Once everything's in the blender or food processor, blend until the marinade is smooth, rich, and slightly thick, with all those flavors fully combined. Feeling that island vibe already? If this jerk marinade is firing up your taste buds, hit that like button, share it with your foodie friends, and subscribe to SpiceRally. Tap the bell icon so you're the first to know whenever a new, bold recipe drops. This recipe makes about 1½ cups, enough to generously coat 2 to 3 pounds of chicken, pork, shrimp, or even tofu. So if you try this marinade at home, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next recipe.